So today in a basement, taking apart a Fortress Evault. This one had a BMS issue. We'll just call it that for now. And so we're replacing the whole BMS unit. Say hi, Rob. So we're just disconnected the negative and positive leads. Just making the battery safe here and then pulling the board off the top, so that should just slide right out. So now what we're doing here, we got the old BMS unit out here. You can see right over here one of the MOSFETs burned up, and there was some other issues with this as well, so that's why we're replacing the whole thing. So now we're just putting the leads on the new one, and here's the battery. So we're just starting to hook all the wires back up here. It's fairly easy access as long as you get the order of operations right. Alright, so here we go. We're turning it on. Rob gets to do the honors. See if this thing blows up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep. 2, 1.
That button's not hooked up, Rob.
I know, and that's my concern.
That was very anticlimactic. Boom! Huh. Huh.
Got your meter on you?
Nope. Alright, so we just got this thing up and running here, and let's see, you can see it's 54.3 volts, 76% SOC, charging at 84 amps, and we're just getting it fully charged. Then we're going to do an equalization, which adjusts the state of charge feature on the front of the Fortress battery, and should be all set.